Chris is now setting off on the 178 towards the gate. But he is actually, I think that was using a right there, it's a bit debatable that, I think, but he really missed the gate completely. I might add that he actually helped to design this port, so if he gets lost, then it'll be a bit of an embarrassment, I think, really.
We just had a request from Nicholas Leach. Nicholas Leach, if you can hear it, could you visit the secretary please, the uncomfortable point. That's Nicholas Leach to the secretary please.
Tommy James, they're just starting now the bales for the pallet and so on. This is making quite good progress at the moment. He's on a nice original looking Fortune Super Major. I think it's a new performance Major with the grey wheels and wings. Also fitted with a big timber winch. You'll see the frames or anchors sticking up at the back now on the driver. That's to get the extra grip in the ground when it's winching. Also got a very substantial hit on the front, it's been weight. Very big to fly machine. I think we're unfortunately on the wrong way at the moment. We've got to go around here. Lots of few minutes there, I'm afraid. So, he's actually got to the gate now. None of these factories that use on timber work with the winching trees through the forest and so on. We've got a couple of the winches on today, which is quite interesting. See the other one here today, got a guard on the radiator as well, keep the radiator in one piece. We've got Chris Stevie going to have a go now, he's on a massive version 135. The 132 is on program. Programs are available on the field for £2 each. Well worth buying a programme, see what's happening. Many events taking part here today. We've got a big track to play late in the afternoon, which we commentated on by the excellent Mark Hatt. He's done this job for many years and you know, there's nothing you don't know about tractors and so on. We've got commercial vehicles, cars, motorcycles, weather permitting, and all these driving today. I believe he's got to run the road, I'm not sure, but we do have these little mishaps. Just imagine a farmer being on his way to the dairy and all the germs falling off the trailer and that'll be that. Tommy James just finishing there, very good bird.